So just quickly, all the footage I took while unboxing these has been deleted, so I get to do this all over again. Yay. So I'll leave these two for last. So I've got some more Dignitas, mainly because I use most of mine lubing my hour-long clock. Sorry, my Ling hour clock. Yeah, there's some Dignitas. I've got I've got 140mm by 2mm and 40 magnets. So I won't open one of these up. So I'm going to be using these to magnetize a couple of cubes possibly, and a Moyu Weilong Square 1. So all of them, I'm probably going to be deciding between a 50mm cubing classroom and a mini hour-long, which I'm going to be getting sent from KS Cuba. So that's what those are going to be used for. And then the last I got in the box was a Aochong GTSM. I basically haven't done anything to this cube except for just loosen it off a bit and applied my logo to it. So I wasn't able to put any lube in it because I left my Gravitas at work. So straight out of the box, this is a really fast, very fast cube, and it was very tight. It was lacking in sort of cute corner cutting. After loosening it off, it didn't really get a lot faster. It still is on that sort of line of being too fast to being uncontrollable, to being just fast enough and being controllable. This already was way better than my Wushuang, my Cubicle Labs Wushuang, and this is just straight out of the box. So this is definitely going to be my new main. I'm going to do a comparison video between this and the Wushuang straight up later on this week. Let's do a quick. So there are the shades. It's got the GTS3 new color scheme shades, the brighter yellow and the darker red, which I actually quite like. So that's all I got from speedcube.com.au. I want to give a huge thanks out to them for sending this so quickly. Their 3-day shipping time is absolutely awesome for those who live in Australia. I'll leave a link down to their website if you want to go buy any of these products. So yeah, see you all next time.